హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. సో ఇవాళ వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేయబోయే టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే జేఎన్టీయు అనంతపురం అఫిలియేటెడ్ ఆల్ ఎంబీఏ కాలేజెస్ సంబంధించి ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్ ఎంబీఏకి సంబంధించి ఎవ్రీ సబ్జెక్ట్ నుంచి ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే ఈ వీడియోలో చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ఎక్కడ వీడియో స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండింగ్ దాకా చూడండి. నచ్చితే ఒక చిన్న లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా మన ఛానల్ని చూస్తున్నట్టయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి ఫాలో అవుతుండడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక లేట్ చేయకుండా లెట్ స్టార్ట్ ఆ వీడియో. సో ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్లో టోటల్గా 7 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ అమాంగ్ 2 ల్యాబ్స్, రైట్? సో ఆ 7 సబ్జెక్ట్స్కి సంబంధించి ఈచ్ యూనిట్ నుంచి ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే చూద్దాము. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్లీ బిఎల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైవేటైజేషన్ on Indian economic growth, and second one write about LPG, and third one explain the role of industrial policy 1991 in economic development, and fourth one globalization, its impact of India business. Okay, and the second unit lo explain monetary policy as its role in industrialization. What is fiscal policy? Discuss salient features of fiscal policy. What are the objects of Exim Bank? Explain measures taken Exim Bank to promote exports. Explain the structure and functions of WTO. Write short notes on TRIPS, TRIMS, gates. And third unit, nature and essential of valid contract, and second one essentials of valid offer and acceptance, essential of valid consideration, and fourth one capacity to contract, free consent, and fifth one all contracts or agreement but all agreements are not contract. Okay, and fourth unit explain briefly important classes of memorandum of association of a company and the contents of articles of association, and second one what are the power of directors that cannot be eclipses without the approval of members given in general meeting. Third one what is winding up? Discuss the circumstances in which a company may be wind up by court. What is statutory meeting? Explain the provision relating to the holding of statutory meeting. And fifth one what are the different models of winding of a company? And fifth unit explain briefly the provisions of IT Act 2000 dealing with cyber laws. And second question briefly explain the provisions of Information Technology Act 2000 dealing with cyber laws. Third one discuss the needs and objectives of IT Act 2000. Explain briefly penalties, adjudication, right to information Act 2005 BEL subject. Okay, and next subject business statistics. బిజినెస్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్లో థియరీ క్వశ్చన్స్లో నేచర్ అండ్ సిగ్నిఫిషియన్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ టు బిజినెస్, అండ్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ డిస్క్రైబ్ వేరియస్ మెజర్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంట్రల్ టెండెన్సీ with merits, demerits and its applications, and third one describe various measures of dispersion and its applications, and fourth one describe standard deviation with merits and demerits. And problems first unit lo topics ఏంటంటే mean, median, mode and standard deviation and coefficient of variance. Okay na? And then second unit lo theory questions, differences between correlation and regression. Explain in detail regression coefficient, its properties and its assumptions. And third one explain significance and types of correlations and problems topics correlation, regression. And the third unit theory explain the meaning and significance of probability in business applications. And second question explain the different theories of probability distribution and problem topics condition law, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution. And fourth one lo theory what is hypothesis and procedure of testing hypothesis, differences between null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis, type 1 error and type 2 error, jet test and t test, problem topic jet test, t test, ANOVA. And theory fifth unit lo theory explain the features, importance and applications of CHI chi-square test. And problems topics single sample chi-square for independent of attributes, sign test for pirated data. And case study lo వచ్చేసి ANOVA regression problems maximum క్వశ్చన్ చేయొచ్చు. and this is about statistics subject. Okay, and ITM important questions. ITM important questions. First unit, explain the generations and futures of computers. And second question, meaning and nature of IT. Explain the physical components of information system. Brief out the advantages and types of information system. What are the concepts and components of information system, advantages and disadvantages of IT. And seventh question, role of IT in various sectors. And finally, eighth question, strategies for gaining IT advantages. And second unit, what do you mean by data? Explain the concept and models of DBMS. Define DBMS. Explain the various data models with examples. Explain about DDL and DML. Architecture of DBMS and characteristics of DBMS. And unit third, briefly explain about MS Word, explain about MS Excel, explain about MS PowerPoint presentation, and explain the various spreadsheet applications, explain all formula in MS Excel, explain the procedure for creating a pie chart using MS Excel, explain about mail merge, prepare student marks memorandums in MS Excel, prepare a personal resume, visiting card, identity card, marks memos using in MS Word or either MS Excel. And fourth unit, discuss about network technologies, types of computer networks, explain about extranet, explain about intranet, explain about internet, and discuss the communication and web services. Describe about various types of data communication medias. So, and explain the concept, components and working of World Wide Web. Explain about network protocols in internet, and finally explain about topologies. Okay, and finally fifth unit in IT subject, explain emerging trends in IT, explain ERP, explain about SAP, explain about big data, explain about cloud computing. And case study వచ్చేసి PowerPoint presentations, creating visiting card, resume and identity card using MS Word, marks memo, max memorandum in MS Excel, employee salary report with employee number, basic salary, HRA, DA, PF, IT, gross salary, net salaries, and category of employees with different formula in MS Excel. So remaining subjects important questions I will make on the next videos. And thanks for watching. If you like this video means please like it and subscribe. Thank you.